Hello everyone, my name is Reagan Sims, and this is my picture of an ecologist project on Nancy Moran. So we're going to cover several topics about Moran, including her beginning, mainly around her origins of life, her education and the level of education she received, her research and her findings, what she achieved and how she did so, and what she found actually. And finally, student connection, where I believe the dots between Moran and myself are connected and why I chose her for this project. So, in the beginning. So, a little bit about Nancy. She was born December 31st, 1954, in Dallas, Texas. She had a small interest in insects, but didn't really show a lot of interest in science as a whole until she started attending the University of Texas. Where there she actually started as an art major. And then when she changed majors into philosophy and had to take an elective of biology, that's actually where she started to enjoy science and enjoy what she wanted to do in life. It was actually at UT where she published her first paper on pigeon mate preferences. So with her education, Nancy graduated from University of Texas with a Bachelor in Biology in 1976. Moran then transferred to University of Michigan, where she obtained her PhD in zoology in 1982. And then in 1984 to 1986, Moran then became a fellow at the National Academy of Sciences in Czechoslovakia and completed her fellowship at Northern Arizona University. So after she completed her fellowship at NAU, she further pursued a career of teaching others of her research and what she has learned herself in the field. She first became a Regent professor at NAU from 1986 to 2010, and then Moran moved to Yale University and became a professor there from 2010 until 2013, and then finally she moved back to Texas and became a professor at Texas University from 2013 until present day. So a little bit on her research and her findings. She studied both the small and large aspects of extant life. From evolutionary genetics of bacteria to animal behavior, Moran has noted and conducted several researches and publishings of her findings, as well as winning numerous awards regarding these findings. Some of her most notorious attainments include research regarding ecological relationships between aphids and their host plants. This research has shed new life on the life cycle patterns of these aphids and actually further expanded the understanding of symbiosis among these organisms. Another one is Moran's study of the bacteria within the gut of honeybees and bumblebees. This one showed how the bacteria in the gut has potential benefits for the bee's host. And then some of her awards that she won was the MacArthur Fellowship in 1997, which recognized her research in evolutionary biology. Another one was the Kiel-Mobius Prize in 2023 for her work in the symbiosis research. And then there was another one for the Molecular Ecology Prize in 2017. So with the student connection, the reason why I chose Nancy was because I feel as though we have a lot of similarities regarding our undergrad journey. So similar to her, I was dead set on being in biomedical sciences and becoming a veterinarian. I didn't want to change anything, and I really didn't look at a lot of majors. But now I have since changed into ecology and conservation biology with an interest in researching the impact insects have on livestock. So that was my picture of an ecologist project. I want to thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the presentation. And here are my cited sources.